Hi, so in today's lesson, we are going to simplify certain things. And we want you to avoid knowing how to do the big stuff, meaning that you know how to eat steel, but you can't eat bananas. So we must avoid that. Let's make an example. Let's say the following is steel, right? And we look at it, you say, this I can do easily. Yes, we want you to be able to do everything easily, right? So let's say we're taking this one as our steel for today. Ne? This is the hard one. So if you do the hard one, for example, let's do this hard one. I want to show you that it's easy, right? Yes, it's hard, but it's easy. So how do you solve such a question? They say simplify the fractions by using factorization, right? So already you know that you can factorize the above by taking out the highest common factor, because 21 divided by 7 is 3 and 7 divided by 7 is 1. So this is how you take out the highest common factor. So you take out 7 as the highest common factor. What remains in the bracket is -3 as well as -x, right? Or 1x if you want. So this is still over 7. So at this point, you can tell that now you can be able to cancel out, because here we did not cancel out because it's not allowed for you to cancel over a plus and minus sign. Now, since we've actually integrated everything by taking out the highest common factor, we can now cancel out. So the solution will be -3 and -x, right? So please do the bottom one. Let me show you what I meant by you being able to eat steel but struggling to eat bananas. So as for bananas, let's say you have a question like this, and then you cannot solve this one, but you can eat those steels, right? But you cannot eat these bananas. Now that's dangerous. You want to avoid that. So here, what happens is it's a multiplication of fractions, right? So a numerator will multiply the numerator and the denominator will multiply the denominator. That's all you need to know. So 2 times 3 is 6. And 4 times 5 is 20. That's what you have. So you can simplify this further by saying, okay, how many times does 2 go into 6? 3 times. And into 20, 10 times. So this is your final solution. Now do the one at the bottom. It's a bit different, but I want to ensure that you do the right thing.